In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Safari background on iPhone. This is a fantastic way to personalize your browsing experience. By changing the background on your Safari start page, you can make it feel more like your own. The process is straightforward, and I will guide you through each step carefully. Let's get started. First, you will need to open the Safari app on your iPhone. Look for the Safari icon on your home screen, which looks like a compass. Once you tap on it, Safari will launch and you will see your most visited sites. This is important because it sets the stage for the customization you are about to do. A familiar interface makes it easier to navigate to the settings you need. Next, open a new tab to display the start page. You can do this by tapping the tab icon, which is usually located at the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap it, you will see a plus sign that indicates a new tab. Tapping this will take you to the start page where you can see your favorites and frequently visited sites. This is essential because the background customization is only available on this specific start page, not on the websites you visit. Now scroll to the bottom of the start page. You may have to swipe down a bit to reveal the hidden options. This step is crucial as it brings you to the customization settings. You want to ensure that you have accessed the right section of Safari to make your desired changes. Take your time here, it's all about getting to the right place. After that, tap Edit. This button allows you to modify various aspects of your start page. Once you tap on it, you will see several options you can adjust. This action is vital because it opens up the menu where you will find the background options. A simple tap can lead to a more personalized browsing experience. Turn on background image if it's off. You will see a toggle switch next to background image. Make sure it is activated. This is important because without turning this on, you won't be able to change the background image at all. It's a small step, but it's essential for your customization journey. Choose one of the following options. You can either select one of Apple's built-in background images or tap the plus button to choose a photo from your photos library. Selecting Apple's images gives you a quick way to personalize your start page, while using a photo from your library allows for a more personal touch. This choice matters because it reflects your style and preferences. Once you've made your selection, tap Done or simply close the customization panel. When you tap Done, you will see your new background applied immediately. This gives you a sense of accomplishment and shows that your changes are saved. You can now enjoy a personalized browsing experience that reflects your personality. Remember, the background only appears on Safari's start page, not while viewing websites. This distinction is important because it clarifies where your changes will take effect. While you won't see the new background on every website, having a customized start page can make your overall browsing feel more enjoyable. You can change or remove the background at any time by returning to Edit on the start page. This flexibility means that you can keep things fresh by swapping out backgrounds whenever you feel like it. It's a simple way to keep your browsing experience engaging. Finally, if you use the same Apple account on multiple devices, you can enable Use Start Page on all devices in the Edit menu. This will sync your Safari start page customization across your devices. It's a great way to have a consistent browsing experience wherever you are. Now you're all set to enjoy your newly customized Safari start page.